All right, so the Whaler's finished. There was a few other things that we have done to it. We've put on rails, working on a Bimini top that's in progress. But we're calling it done, and yeah, we don't want too many parts of this series. There's already 19, so this will be the 20th. I hope you've enjoyed the entire series. Here's some shots of us getting out in the boat, dialing in the engine, the height, the tuning. There's a bunch of things that we did. So keep watching and enjoy the ride with us. Well, as you saw, we had a lot of fun getting the boat dialed in. One interesting point was the perfect engine height was actually the very top notch, and you can see in that one shot. But anyway, it's not done yet. We had one final trip, but we got some great aerial views. So here it is, and I hope you enjoy it. hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, hit share and like. But before I sign off, I do want to give some thanks. First of all, to my son Joseph, because I couldn't have done this without him. He really was a huge help. And Total Boat and Jamestown Distributors were huge supporters of this and helped me out a lot with technical questions and things that I needed help with. As a matter of fact, I had so much interaction with them, they sent me a shirt. But thank you to Jamestown Distributors and Total Boat. And again, I hope you enjoyed it. If you have, hit share, like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.